This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. This is dealing with a Prius battery, and the battery's having trouble. It's got 160,000 miles on it, and it's starting to have problems with acceleration and lagging power. And also I get the battery warning light coming on. So my suspicion is that there might be a couple of these internal cells or batteries that are having trouble, that are worn out. And they only cost about 50 bucks, 30 to 50 depending on where you buy them. And you can replace these. It's not that hard to do. A little dangerous because it's high voltage, but you can take some precautions. And this is what the individual cells look like. There's 2 of these per pack. So we have a total of 48. And usually it's like 2 or 3 of these are compromised. And then this shows a chart of ones that are having trouble. So this is an app you can get for your Prius that works on, you can have it on Android phones, or you can do it on your Apple phone or your iPad, and it shows you pack voltage. It shows you how each one of the batteries is doing. We can see in this one that the batteries in the middle are not getting much voltage, and these are the ones that need to be repaired. It's actually going to be number 8, 9, and 10. It also gives you idea of your battery temperature when it's under load. So if the temperature is really high, could be you have a problem with your cooling fan. The Generation 3 battery pack has a cooling fan. But it's a really good app, and it shows you exactly what's going on with your battery. It looks like on mine I need to replace some of the faulty batteries that are no longer working. So this battery monitor shows that this pack, and this pack are having trouble. The other ones look pretty good. So each one of these packs is 2 batteries or 2 modules. So if I get 6 of them, I can put that in the new pack and I'll be close to normal. Also, this pack number 8 is showing no internal resistance. So I got a feeling that that pack is compromised. It might be leaking or broken. So I'm down quite a bit. Been noticing lagging acceleration, and then I get the error coming up on the dashboard that says that the battery pack's having trouble. But I think if I get the packs off eBay, I've already got 1, so I'll get 5 more. I'll have 6 total. That'll take care of these 3. And then I should be up around normal for a car that has 160,000. That's pretty good. That'll probably get me maybe 4 more years of battery life. And each one of those packs, or each one of those batteries, is about $30 to $50. So that's pretty good. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. This is using the Wi-Fi scan tool. And I got this off of Amazon for about $27. This is the brand. And we're using this free one from the App Store called Dr. Prius. Pretty good. It gives you this kind of analysis. It's going to show you the total pack voltage. It's going to show you the state of the charge. Showing it has about 54% max charge. Also, battery temperature is important. It's showing about a normal temperature, but if you notice the temperatures are really high, it could be that your cooling fan in the back here is no longer active and working, and that could cause your batteries to overheat, and that would cause definitely a loss of power and some complaints from your computer. So it looks like just by getting these cells replaced that this battery is going to be okay. So hope this has been helpful to you, and thanks so much for watching.